Hey people, so we are at this place called Retreat. We just reached here and this is our room, and there's another one little cot on that side. Basically, Ayush, what is your opinion of this room?
It's good.
Yeah.
Can you show me jumping it?
Yeah, and this is a little balcony. And I don't want to make my viewers believe that I'm pushing my child off the balcony.
So I'm gonna jump off the balcony because it's the first floor, basically ground floor. So I have to do it.
Yeah, and Anviku, why are you doing yoga over there?
So can you show? Can you show?
Okay, my child wants to. Okay, chalo.
Okay.
Yes.
Time for
Come.
So I have to get over here. Over here. Now I'm gonna jump from down there.
Okay, jump.
So on the next video, I'll show you jumping down there.
Yeah, just jump.
Okay.
1, 2,
3, fly!
and that is the sea in the distance.
Hey, I'm down there.
Yeah, so this is a long video. It's already 1 minute video.
Show me how I climb it. So
Now you please come climbing. Okay, this is how it happens. Okay, that's my son.
that's me.
Okay.